What are your thoughts on, you're in the Atlanta market. How are you seeing that market evolve?
Yeah, so those are really important topics, and definitely Atlanta's no exception for any of those. All that you mentioned. So renting by choice, renting by necessity, a lot of deliveries, absorption rates. Those are all things that we keep an eye on. And what we basically keep doing is, and that's one of the reasons why we're very zoned into Atlanta, because there's nationwide metrics, there's regional metrics, there's state metrics, there's metro metrics, and then there's sub-market specifically. One of the ways we kind of like level that out is being specific in the sub-markets, but also making sure that we're as efficient as we can on the construction side so that we can start keep hitting as close as we can to that affordability metric. Definitely the gap between owning and renting is huge, and we believe is going to stay huge for a while until we start seeing some dust settling in the market, which will definitely drive more demand on our side. At least that's what we're seeing. Now, the good news on the other side, because once you contrast that with a lot of inventory, then you'll find a lot of people, yes, wanting that backyard, yes, wanting those larger amenities, those larger spaces, but then having to stay in the apartment, third floor, exactly what you mentioned. While we have a lot of units having to be leased up, then you still see that phenomenon. Now, we peaked deliveries, absorption starting to happen, and then starts are ultra low, at least lowest we've seen in the past decade. So, in our view, with the fundamentals that we're seeing in general in the Southeast, but it's very similar to Georgia and very similar to Atlanta, the pendulum should swing back, right? So as long as we keep seeing and keep investing in proper, I guess, metric kind of like sub markets and keep our costs down, we should have that demand. That's our vision.